Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay My Hobby. A hobby is a thing we do regularly for pleasure in our spare time. There are several hobbies for students as photography, gardening, and stamp collecting. I have taken up gardening because I love greenery. It is very useful and cheap hobby. Moreover, I do not find it difficult. I just dig holes in the ground. I put flower plants in the holes and water the plants. They give me flowers of all colors. I do my gardening 1 hour in the morning and 1 hour in the evening. I get great pleasure from this hobby. In the morning, it gives me a good exercise which keep me fit and active all the day. So I love gardening.